tell me, how are you today?
How am I? Am I AI? You see, even here I can't escape it.
Oh, God. Can you expand on that?
Just 5 years ago, we used to have to beg for use cases. I used to have to go to people and say, please, give me something to work with. Now, people come to us, that they say, we want AI. What do I do with that?
Is that a bad thing?
Bad. Oh my God. We have tech silos, we have staff shortages, we have lawyers. It's not like I can just slap together a demo and get everything done like that.
There's nothing wrong with what you're feeling. Have you heard of the Data Innovation Summit?
Not another AI conference. Oh.
Think of it as group therapy for AI professionals. You're not alone.